Fast food is everywhere. Cheap, fast, addictive. Millions of people eat it every single day without thinking twice. Burgers, fries, pizza, fried chicken, sugary drinks. For many people, fast food has become a normal part of modern life. But here's the terrifying truth. Your body was never designed to handle this kind of food constantly. And while fast food may taste good for a few minutes, inside the body it can trigger damage that slowly builds for years. The scary part is this. Most of the damage happens silently. You don't immediately feel your arteries hardening. You don't feel your liver filling with fat. You don't notice inflammation slowly spreading through the body. But over time, the effects may become serious. Today, we're going to explore how fast food affects the human body, why it becomes addictive, and how constant consumption may slowly damage health in ways many people never realize. Stay until the end, because one of the effects of fast food actually changes how the brain functions. Let's begin. Fast food is designed to activate pleasure systems inside the brain. High amounts of salt, sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial flavor combinations create extremely powerful stimulation. When people eat these foods, the brain releases dopamine, the chemical strongly connected to reward and pleasure. This creates temporary feelings of satisfaction and comfort. But over time, the brain may begin craving more and more stimulation. That's one reason fast food can become highly addictive. Now here's the problem. Most fast food contains enormous amounts of calories, but very low nutritional value. And the body receives large amounts of energy, but often lacks important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and nutrients needed for proper function. As a result, people may continue feeling hungry even after eating large meals. Another major issue is inflammation. Highly processed foods may increase chronic inflammation throughout the body, and chronic inflammation is connected to many serious diseases: heart disease, diabetes, obesity, fatty liver disease, certain cancers, and even problems involving the brain. Now, let's talk about the heart. One of the most dangerous effects of fast food involves the cardiovascular system. Many fast foods contain extremely high levels of sodium, unhealthy fats, and processed oils. Excess sodium may increase blood pressure. Meanwhile, unhealthy fats may contribute to cholesterol buildup inside arteries. Over time, arteries may become narrower and less flexible. This increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The scary part is that this damage often develops silently over many years. Now let's discuss weight gain. Fast food is usually extremely calorie-dense. A single meal may contain massive amounts of calories, sugar, and fat. At the same time, these foods often digest quickly and fail to create long-lasting fullness. This makes overeating much easier. Over time, excess calorie intake may lead to obesity and metabolic problems. And obesity itself increases the risk of many diseases. Now here's something many people don't realize. Fast food strongly affects blood sugar. Sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, and processed ingredients may cause rapid spikes in blood glucose. The body then releases insulin to lower those levels. But when this cycle repeats constantly, insulin resistance may develop. This condition makes it harder for the body to control blood sugar properly. Eventually, this may contribute to type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about the liver. Many people think liver problems only come from alcohol, but fast food may also seriously damage the liver. Excess sugar and unhealthy fats may lead to fatty liver disease, especially when combined with obesity and poor lifestyle habits. Fat slowly builds inside liver cells, reducing the liver's ability to function properly. And here's the dangerous part. Fatty liver disease often develops without obvious symptoms at first. Now, let's discuss digestion. And fast food usually contains very low amounts of fiber. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion and bowel function. Without enough fiber, constipation and digestive imbalance may become more common. Highly processed foods may also negatively affect gut bacteria inside the intestines. Scientists now believe gut health strongly affects immunity, mood, metabolism, and overall health. Now here's something even more surprising. Fast food may affect the brain itself. Some studies suggest highly processed diets may negatively affect memory, concentration, and mood over time. Excess sugar and unhealthy fats may increase inflammation inside the brain. Researchers are even studying possible links between unhealthy diets and cognitive decline. And because fast food strongly stimulates dopamine systems, it may also increase cravings and impulsive eating behavior. Now, let's talk about energy levels. Many people eat fast food for quick convenience, but shortly afterward, they often feel tired, heavy, or mentally foggy. Why? Because these meals may create rapid blood sugar spikes followed by energy crashes. Instead of stable energy, the body experiences extreme highs and lows. Over time, poor nutrition may also reduce overall physical performance and stamina. Another dangerous issue is sleep quality. Heavy processed meals, excess sugar, and unhealthy eating habits may negatively affect sleep. Poor sleep then increases hunger hormones and cravings the next day. This creates a harmful cycle involving exhaustion, overeating, and weight gain. Now here's something many people ignore. Fast food portions have become dramatically larger over time. The human brain struggles to regulate appetite properly when constantly exposed to oversized portions and highly rewarding foods. People gradually become used to eating more than the body actually needs. And modern advertising makes the problem even worse. Bright colors, artificial smells, emotional marketing. Everything is designed to encourage overconsumption. Now let's discuss mental health. Some studies suggest diets high in processed foods may increase the risk of depression and anxiety in some individuals. The brain depends on nutrients, healthy fats, vitamins, and stable blood sugar for proper emotional balance. Poor nutrition may affect neurotransmitters and overall brain function. Now here's something important. While eating fast food occasionally is usually not the main problem. The real danger comes from constant consumption combined with poor sleep, stress, lack of exercise, and unhealthy lifestyle habits. The body is remarkably resilient, but it still has limits. Now let's talk about possible solutions. One of the best things people can do is increase whole, natural foods. Vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, fiber-rich foods. These provide nutrients the body actually needs. Cooking at home may also improve ingredient quality and portion control significantly. Another powerful solution is reducing sugary drinks. Many sodas and fast food beverages contain enormous amounts of sugar with almost no nutritional value. Replacing sugary drinks with water may make a huge difference over time. Exercise is equally important. Physical activity helps improve circulation, metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and overall health. Sleep matters too. The body repairs itself during proper rest. And stress management is critical because emotional stress often increases unhealthy cravings. Now let's quickly review how fast food may damage the body over time. It may increase inflammation, raise blood pressure, damage heart health, contribute to obesity, disrupt blood sugar control, increase fatty liver risk, affect digestion and gut health, reduce energy stability, and even affect brain function and mood. The human body is incredibly powerful, but it depends heavily on what people feed it every single day. Food is not just fuel. It directly affects energy, focus, hormones, sleep, immunity, emotions, and long-term survival. And perhaps the most important thing to remember is this. Small unhealthy habits repeated daily may eventually create massive consequences. But small healthy changes repeated consistently may completely transform health over time. Your body is constantly responding to every choice you make. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating health and science content explained in a simple and easy way. Take care of your body, protect your health, and we'll see you in the next video.